I'm actually going back to work on Monday, funny enough, and but my life's the same right now. You know, I'm sure it's gonna change in, you know, a matter of probably months. But right now it's the same.
And then other people go, okay, looks like I'm hurt.
Right.
Like the soldiers coming back from the battlefield, like this concept. Like some people can just handle it. Like clearly, there's a psychological element to that you highlighted earlier when you were talking about these soldiers. They could be, you know, the disemboweled, losing limbs, but yet they weren't experiencing that wants to prove yourself that you're so great.
Yeah, I'll never forget when I was pregnant with our daughter and I went around to different nurseries, nursery schools to look for one. So it's temporarily out of stock.
All right,
but
nice.
Hopefully my publisher is working on it, and I know they're working on it.
Congratulations on that. That's excellent.
Thank you. Yes, it's unexpected and exciting.
But it's good stuff. You posted a very, I watched the whole thing, very informative about your battle with Lyme disease. What prompted you to go into that much detail? I need to stop, for God's sakes. Thank you very much to everyone who stopped by today. Thank you to our amazing guest. What a show it was. Rose Namajunas, thank you very much to her. Jan Bachovich.
Position to be in, where you're almost like competing. You're competing against these women, but you're
drunk. It's not so much like the alcohol, it's like the getting drunk and kind of like escaping, escapism is the problem. It's not necessarily like the alcohol necessarily, it's the getting drunk part. So, yeah, no more getting drunk.
Quando você ganha um Thomas Paulo no LFA, na verdade foi um dos knockouts mais sinistros medonhos que a gente já viu, né?
Fucking idiot alltså. Håll dig din fil!
Crédito total pra você, você merece. E você sentiu na hora quando o cara tentou ali, nocautaça ali, o cara desacordar todo aquele tempo.
And now everybody's like kind of working their way up. My brother, my sister, my mom, my family. Plus, I have a huge team on my back. My sponsors, they've been like essential for my life. But I'm gonna keep on working on more and more and more. My mind is I think it's business orientated. I guess you have to change a couple of things, but I like businesses.
Thankful for that. There was a part of me over the last few years that wondered if I was too strict about this stuff and if I didn't, chill out. And I think it's best to be professional and not blend the two. But this was a unique one. It was in New York. It was wrestling. They're not MMA fans or boxing fans or anything like that. The stars aligned. So we'll talk to him about his big win on Saturday. It's Davey Grant, his gnarly cauliflower ear. Andre Petrosky was the one that he was trying to get to walk out to Island Boy, but as we all know, our good friend Virna Janjiroba swooped right in. Stipe Miocic going to be on the show. I haven't talked to Stipe in a while, in like 8 or so months. And we'll talk to him, of course, where he's